Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today I'm going to do a walking water experiment. Like lots of colors like the rainbow. Look at all those tissues, the cups, and the paint. Also one more is the spoon. And I'm going to stir it, put these in there, and then it's going to dive in like a water experiment. So the red and yellow is going to make orange. And the yellow and blue is going to make green. I forgot what's the blue one. So, when you take these out, you squeeze it all together, and then the water's going to come out, then it will go in the other tissues. And I'm going to make rainbows like red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Don't forget, there's purple too. Rainbow colors for me and you too. So I want you to look at this, alright? Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Look what happened to my water walking experiment. Look at the red and yellow made orange. The yellow and blue made green. The blue and purple made blue violet. Look at those colorful rainbows. It's like the rainbow in my show. Or my song. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Don't forget there's purple too and blue, violet too. The rainbow colors for me and you too. Missing some left here.